Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your account in the Pinterest app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Pinterest app. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, our feed, but from here we have to go into the saved menu. And in the saved menu, we have to tap on the little cog in the top right corner. Then we have to tap on settings. And in the settings, we go into account management. And in the bottom, we find deactivate account. If we tap on this and tap on continue, our account is going to be deactivated, hiding our pins temporarily. But after we have made up our mind, we can turn the account back on. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.